What are you doing here, Doctor? This is the spirit world. You're not dead.
I got a potion. Come and see.
Well, welcome to the spirit world anyway. Can I get you a drink or something?
No. This mad scientist had me come here. In his message during the TARDIS as well, he told me that you had something to tell me.
Something to tell you.
Yes, he even told me about what the Master was doing.
Oh yeah! He was one of my workers at my chocolate factory. I told him that the map wasn't safe, but he had to hide it in the place you found it. So the Master put you up to this. He's the one who sent you on that wild goose chase to find the map. You could easily get the map without the nostalgia critic help. But rules are rules, I guess.
Yes. Oh. I heard something about there was some clues in your chocolate factory.
Oh, there's some clues. Like to test the chocolate, because it's gonna have like a secret taste to it. But
so how do I get this one?
You gotta be a pure soul,
like I am already,
and you got to battle the Master, defeat the evil, and the
So this explains this then.
Yes, you gotta defeat the evil, and when you defeat the evil, you'll get even more powerful than you ought to be. That's the magic.
Well, how come my umbrella was here too?
That's the third step.
What's the third step?
The third step is taking your umbrella and finding a perfect spot to find the X.
Sonic umbrella? To find the X?
Yep.
Oh, no wonder why this thing was missing and I was going crazy for it.
Yep, I fixed it.
Well, thank you.
When the magic comes to you, when you defeat the evil, put the question mark up in the sky, and you will find the X.
Which will lead me to the sonic screwdriver.
To tell you the truth, you can wish me back if you want. But if you want to wish for something else besides my return, just say the magic word.
What's the magic word?
I am the Doctor.
And then to bring you back?
To bring me back, just say, I wish for Wonka back. Plain and simple.
Ow! Ouch! Head. Hello, you guys.
Come on, mad scientist. When you put down the card, you're supposed to play the card. Don't rush me. Ooh, I feel lucky. What you got, sucker? You win again, mad scientist. Well, it's about bloody time. What did you find out?
Well, I found out that the Master's up to his old tricks again, as usual. And, we gotta head back to the chocolate factory because the Willy Wonka told me to do this special thing that I'm really having a hard time to explaining about, but I do got one thing for you. This here is going to be the way we're going to be able to kill the Master. Well, not with just this, but I have to use this as well. But, this is a special gun to, kill the Master with, so your gun is actually going to be useless.
What happened to your hat?
I put it in the carton.
Well, you're in luck. Because?
Oh, it's a copy of the same thing.
I bought it. Because I had a feeling that, I guess...
Keep that hat! I got a new one!
Because a little birdie told me that you were probably going to lose your other one.
Was it Wonka?
Yes.
Back to the chocolate factory we go. the hell just happened? There goes the nostalgia critic. I'm gonna go take care of this for once and for all. Whoa! Oh. I didn't expect that. That was cool. I gotta go find him. Holy crap, this is a mess. Old Charlie! Old Steve! Where the hell are they?
You never took a chocolate shower before, but I'll make an exception. Get out of this frickin' chair. It's so stuck I can't even... Get this toffee off me! Whoa, whoa!
Do I have to do everything by myself? Calm down, calm down. Old Charlie and old Steve. I've been gone for no more than, what? 2 hours and... What was that?
We're in trouble. I think so too. Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah, we're in trouble. Yeah. Why is she not saying anything? I don't know. Probably had to fart.
Regan, Charlie, and old Steve, just shut up and get clean. I need to go figure out what's going on. Wonka, that's you? No. Master. Oh, crap. Such quick, where's your gun?
Tiptoe the tulips, by the tulips, they're the where I'll be. Tiptoe with the tulips.
Dang it! It's not here. Let's go. Shut up. Shut up, shut up, Doctor. Calm the hell down. Can't go in the South Creek. Finland! I give up. We just sit here and wait till we get there.